Hi everybody. This problem wants us to figure out how much square feet of brick would we need if we wanted to build a 5 foot wide brick walkway around a rectangular garden that's 20 feet by 30 feet. So for these problems, I have to draw a picture or I don't know what I'm doing. So first I'm going to draw the garden, okay? So here's the garden. Here's the 30 feet. Here's the 20 feet, right? Maybe I'll put that 30 feet inside. Okay, now around that, we want to build a brick walkway. Okay, so this is all brick. So it said that it's 5 feet wide. So everywhere around here, it's going to be 5 feet wide. So from here to here, it's 5 feet. From here to here, it's 5 feet, and all the way around, right? 5 feet, 5 feet. So how do we figure out how much square foot is the shaded area? Because that's the bricks, right? So I think the easiest thing to do is to find the area of the bigger rectangle that includes the walkway in the garden, and then subtract the white garden area in the middle, right? Because it's kind of like a donut if you think about it. You want to get just the shaded area, so you would take the big area minus the white rectangle in the middle. That would just leave you with the area of the shaded, right? So I think that's the best approach. The hardest thing to figure out is what's the dimensions of this big rectangle, the big outside rectangle. So remember, it's 5 feet down there too. It's 5 feet over here too. So think about it. If this is 30 feet, you got 5 over there, you got 5 over there. So the big rectangle is actually 30 plus 5 plus 5. That's 40 feet. And for the big rectangle, it's 20 feet, but then you got a 5 there and a 5 there. So it's actually, I keep forgetting the T. So it's actually 30 feet. So the big rectangle area it's 30 by 40, which is 12 with 2 zeros, right? The the white rectangle, I'll call it the white rectangle, which is the garden, right? It's 20 by 30, which is 6 with 2 zeros, right? So that means, now what do we have to do? We have to subtract, like the bigger guy minus the smaller guy, the big area minus the white area. So we would do the 1200 minus the 600 equals 600. What's the units on it? It's feet, but it's area, right? So it's squared. So you would go to Home Depot or whatever, and you would tell them you need 600 square feet of brick to do this walkway around your this 5 foot walkway around your 20 by 30 garden. All right, so this is a problem where you do a takeaway. You find the big area minus the inner area. Okay, I think that's it. So you might encounter some problems like that in the future. Hope it helps.